Hey man, we got another early Air Jordan 1, and this one right here is 3 months early actually. The release date got pushed back a couple of times, but people already sleeping, man. I don't know what's been going on, but I go back to the statement I made last year. I feel like Jordan 1s probably dead to a lot of people, but me, you know, I love me a pair of Air Jordan 1s. I know a couple of you guys out there watching today's video do as well, man. So let's go ahead and hop into today's unboxing. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping in to another video. You guys already know, man, it's greatly appreciated, man. Before we get any further, bro, if you guys are new here, man, make sure you subscribe. And if you've already been a part of the channel, you're OG, make sure you guys hit the notification bell as well so you are notified every time, you know what I'm saying, we drop one of these videos. I know a lot of people didn't even know I dropped the video talking about the shock drop that happened the other day. It was 3 pair of Air Jordan 1s, the Shadow 1 lows, the Green Gold lows, and I forget the other name they call them, but it's not like a gem red type of pair of Air Jordan 1s. But a lot of people did not get the notification time, so make sure you hit that notification bell, and if it is on, man, unclick it and turn it back on so you guys are notified. You guys know what is popping, bro. So you know what's going on. I don't want you guys to be misinformed. You know your boy DeVintage go out his way just to help you guys out. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying, get you guys a pair of sneakers for retail. And those 3 shock drops was out of nowhere. Super random. I've never seen, you know, Nike or sneakers that do anything like that before, where they shock drop all these sneakers so early. So we could see potentially some more shock drops. I know the biggest sneaker release, you know, ever since the Reimagined 4s has to be the military blues or the industrial blue Air Jordan 4s. So if we get a shock drop here soon, man, that would be super dope, because I know a lot of people want to check one of them grills off their list on one of those cops of 2024, man. So like I said, man, if you guys are new here, sub up, hit the notification bell, and make sure you guys leave a huge like button on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way. And it shows YouTube you guys are ultimately, you know what I'm saying, enjoying the content. So go ahead and smash that thing. All right, bro, let's go ahead and get into the package. And again, bro, I don't gotta say who I got it from. You guys know, man, I've been going crazy with the GOAT app. And GOAT app, man, I gotta give them salute every time I hop up on here, man. They caught a fake early Air Jordan 4 military blue that I tried to purchase from them. It was a replica. Dropped the whole video talking about that. And I wanna get more into the weeds of that because that's super dope, bro. I've never got that notification. I never felt like super, you know, I guess you could say secure in a certain way, because like I said, they got a pair of fakes. You know, a lot of people say they sneak fakes in and stuff like that. They caught that one, and it would have been dope if they would have sent me some pictures of the actual sneaker, but they refunded me the money. They said actually you can get the money back or you can keep it in gold credit. I said, man, go ahead and run me that money back, because we got to get some more early kicks for the vintage squad, man. I know y'all enjoy these videos, but like I said, man, y'all got to smack that like button. Try to get every single video up to 400 likes. I know we can do it, and we'll be doing a giveaway here soon. I'm going to announce it probably here within the next couple of days. And it's gonna be some heat, bro. We're gonna give away some heat, and you guys probably should know what it is. We're talking about some sneakers of the year type caliber, you know what I'm saying, pairs. So let's go ahead and get in here, bro. I don't even know what I'm saying at this point, man, but let's go ahead and check it out. You guys know how GOAT comes, man. Got the tissue paper, the brown tissue paper down here. Go ahead and throw it out the way. And this pair right here, I don't know if y'all remember when I unboxed the Air Jordan 4. Actually, let me get this out. I don't want to look at the shoe first. I don't want to look at the shoe. We gotta get the top out first. Hold on. But when I unboxed the Air Jordan 4, or maybe it was the Air Jordan 1 Midnight Navies or Green Glows, I forget. But this is the pair I bought first. I bought this pair at the beginning of February. We are already in March, bruh. I don't know what was going on with GOAT, man. But as you guys can see, man, you got the Nike up top, your traditional Air Jordan 1 box, man. Check it out. And the official colorway reads Air Jordan 1 High 85, white, team red, and white. And that is super funny. That's funny. I'm surprised they calling it that, man. But I did get these in a size 9.5 because I am thinking about keeping these in the collection. You guys know we got to throw them on feet. Let's go ahead and get in here. Of course, you already know, man. I ain't gotta say all this no more, bro. You know your boy rocking with GOAT all the way, man. Throw that to the side and check these out. And I'm confused, bro. I'm a little confused. Let's go ahead and pull these things out. Let you guys check them out first, man. In 3, 2, 1, and bam. Oh, it come with some more paper. Hold on, y'all. It come in some more paper right here. That was a false alarm, bro. Let's go ahead and get that out the way. But yes, sir. Here we go, man. Check them out. And bam, bro. The Air Jordan 1 High 85 Mettalic Burgundies. Now, I'm probably asking me why was I a little confused reading the colorway, because these are called the metallic burgundies, but on the box it says like Team Red. What does it say, Team Red? Let me check it out real quick. Make sure I ain't misreading it for y'all. I think I got some vulgaries up in the thing, but it say a Team Red and white, but they call these the metallic burgundies. What's up with that? What's up with that, man? Y'all always probably can help me out. But let's go ahead and pull both of them out of the box, because this is my first pair of Air Jordan 1 high 85s ever in the collection. And I definitely see the difference between a regular high OG and a high 85, man. But check them out, man. Give you guys some 360 looks at those right there. And these look so similar to my metallic red joints that I did show y'all when I unboxed the metallic midnight navy lows, which I'm gonna grab here in a second so I ain't just rambling off colorways. Where they at? Where they at? Man, it's so hard finding your shoes, bro, when you got so many of them, but here they go right here, man. Here they go, here they go. Like I told y'all, man, I did get the metallic navy 85 cut. I did a full review and on feet already on the channel, so make sure you guys go tap into that. But this is my first low 85, but then like I said, we're transitioning to the highs, which I got these first. But I'm telling y'all, they look so similar to my metallic red joint. Look at it, bro. They look so similar. It's crazy, but I kind of do see, or I don't kind of see, I do see the metallic burgundy hit instead of the gem red. It's a huge difference between the two reds right there. Even though they do look similar, it is a distinct difference between this red on this Air Jordan 1 and this burgundy on this metallic burgundy high 85, man. But you guys can see like the little, you know, the difference between the cuts, man. This one right here, of course, is a regular Air Jordan 1. And you transition over here, bro, you can see the difference. And it really is in the midsole. Like, it's a weird shaped midsole, if that makes sense, or a whole weird cut. I feel like it's a little bit more slimmer. You can probably tell by the outsoles on these two Air Jordan 1s which one is which, minus, of course, the colorway. But you did get like some extra laces. Check them out. You got some burgundy laces in these guys right here. They come equipped with the white laces already. And just like the lows that we did get, the metallic navies, you of course get the sizing and all that good stuff on the inside of the sneaker. But let me go ahead and check this card out real quick. Like I said, my first time getting an 85 cut, man. And I guess this just breaks down the different compartments of the sneaker, the padded collar, the ankle stabilizer straps, the variable width lacing system, and all that stuff. But I'm gonna give you guys some B-roll of that right here. But it breaks down the entire makeup of the sneaker, which I think is pretty cool, man. I think I've seen something similar to this with a pair that we got back in 2021 or 2022. But right now, I'm just talking to y'all, man. I ain't dropped a video in a while, but if you guys have been out of the loop, your boy DeVintage has been dropping a lot of YouTube shorts, a lot of comparisons, a lot of, you know, sneaker news updates. So I ain't gotta, you know, sit here and record a whole 4 or 5 minute video. I can just go on YouTube, drop a short, and give you guys all the concise information that you need within the short, you know, 60 seconds. So make sure you hit the notification bell and check out the shorts that your boy DeVintage is dropping on the channel. But again, if you guys do want to see a full review and on feet over these metallic burgundy high 85 joints right here, we got to get this video up to 400 likes. I would love to break these things down. I would love to throw them on feet, but it got to make sense, bro. I got to hit that like button. I got to make sure you guys are enjoying the sneaker. Y'all want to see it. If not, hey, they're just going to sit in the box, and I get to them when I get to them, man. But go ahead, check out another little quick little peek, man. Nike Air. Of course, you do got your Wings logo, metallic burgundy Nike swoosh. And yeah, man, just a pretty standard, you know, Air Jordan 1. But again, I think it's pretty cool because, you know, never had a high 85. And these joints right here did not disappoint me at all, man. So if you guys will be going out and trying to snag a pair this summer, June, I think 22nd is the scheduled release date, man. Go ahead and drop those comments down below. Let me know if you think they fire, trash. Send it to a friend that might be interested in these joints, because I'm super interested in the comments and interacting with you guys, man. I appreciate all the support, man. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell if you have not already. And please leave a huge like button again if y'all want to see on feet. We gotta get you up to 400 likes, and make sure y'all share that with a friend. Hit that like button. On feet will be coming shortly after, man. All my social media links will be down below in the description box. Appreciate y'all. Thanks again. I'm catch you in the next video, man. Peace.